Welcome to Forge Your Future, the place where you can start figuring out what you're great at, how you like to work, and what kinds of careers might be a perfect match for you. First things first, just hit sign up on the Forge Your Future page. Once you're in and your account's activated, you'll land on your own potential dashboard. This is your space. From here, you'll do some quick assessments that help unlock insights about you, how you think, how you learn, and what makes you tick. Let's check out an example. Meet Jay. He's finished his tests, and we can open up his testing report to see what it's all about. The report kicks off with archetypes, basically your work personality. Are you more of a creative thinker, a leader, or someone who gets things done behind the scenes? Then we go into culture fit. This part uses a science-backed personality model to help you understand how you work with others, what motivates you, and what kind of team you'd vibe with. Next is your psychometric profile. Sounds fancy, but it just shows your work and communication style, how you solve problems, handle tasks, and interact with people. Then there's aptitude. This one's all about how you think, not in a test score kind of way, but what your brain's naturally good at. It helps suggest the types of skills you might pick up easily. Your learning style shows how you best take in info, whether you're more of a hands-on learner, a visual person, or something else entirely. Super useful for school and life. At the end of the report, you'll find career pathway matches. These are real roles that align with your strengths. It's a great way to explore careers you might not have thought about before. Back on the dashboard, you'll see your top matches. Click on any role to learn what it's about, what skills it needs, and whether it might be something you're into. You can even hit Apply Now to show you're keen on hearing about events, mentors, or other cool stuff related to that job. There's also a tab called Can I Do the Job? It shows how your current skills match the role. Even if you're not a perfect match yet, no stress. It just means you've got room to learn and grow. You'll also see learning pathways to help you build the skills you need. Whether it's a Forge Your Future course or something from the WithYouWithMe Tech Academy, just hit apply and boom, you're on your way. At the end of the day, this platform is all about you. It's not about being perfect. It's about discovering what you're good at and where you can go from here. So go ahead, discover, engage, and connect.